They're attracted by the colorful appearance of the flowers. These tiny dynamos have the fastest metabolism of any animals on Earth. Their hearts average 500 beats a minute, and their wings can beat up to 80 times in a second. To fuel this super-fast flying, they must eat up to 3 times their body weight every single day. Standing less than 10 centimeters tall, the Antillean crested hummingbird is one of the Caribbean's smallest. Only males bear the distinctive mohawk of feathers that gives these birds their name. Females have a more discreet appearance, which helps keep them safe whilst raising their young. The chicks need extra protein and are fed a regurgitated mixture of nectar and insects. On this rich diet, they grow rapidly. The nest is crafted almost entirely from spider's silk, making it elastic, so it stretches as the chicks grow bigger. Just 2 weeks after hatching, these chicks are almost ready to leave the nest. The Caribbean's hummingbirds have developed a very special relationship with one particular type of plant. Heliconia plants are found across the Caribbean islands. Each island has its own different species, and all rely on hummingbirds to spread their pollen. While feeding on nectar, hummingbirds transfer pollen from flower to flower, allowing the plants to reproduce. But on a small island, there's no room for competition, and the relationship between heliconias and hummingbirds goes one step further. In most cases, the size and shape of the flower matches exactly the beak of the hummingbird that spreads its pollen. Each bird has exclusive feeding rights to a particular species of heliconia, so there's less competition for food. Both beaks and flowers have co-evolved to be a perfect fit.